know you can make money every day while you cook? Yes, Okon, Idara, Ali, Edidion, and Wale, please come closer. Let me show you how you can make money in the stock exchange even while you cook every day. Right now, let me show you this. Every day you use knorr cubes for your soup, your stew, your jollof rice, your porridge, beans, every other meal that you make. But do you know the brand or the company behind this product that you're using? Of course, most of you do not know. Now, let me tell you, that is Unilever PLC, Unilever Nigerian PLC, a company listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Here's the interesting part of it. If you had invested 100,000 naira in Unilever shares in February 2025 last year, your investment would have worth 170,000 naira as at December 2025. That is about 70% growth in 7 months. The best part, you don't need to start with any huge amount of money, right? With as little as 5,000 naira, you can begin investing in companies you already use every day. In this 2026, please, from consumer goods like Unilever PLC, PZ, and to banks and even tech-related companies that you use every day. Now, here's a simple guide for you to get started. Number 1, open a brokerage account. Use a licensed Nigerian broker, right? Many have online platforms. Please do well to do your due diligence. You need your BVN, your means of identification, and you're good to start, right? Number 2, deposit at least 5,000 to 6,000 naira in your wallet to start investing immediately, right? It is as simple as that. Number 3, choose a stock that you want to invest in. For example, the Unilever PLC, the UAC Foods, and every other company that you have done your research. Don't forget that I always tell people to do their due diligence. Check companies that are doing very well, read reports. If you don't know how to read reports and you want to learn how to read company reports so that you can be able to track their performance and know if it's a good company to invest in, comment, read report in the comment section, and I'm going to send you link on how to manage or how to read reports. Number 4, place an order, specify how much shares you want to buy. Choose market order, that is how to purchase now. Choose market order, buy at current price, right? Or limit order, set a price you want to pay. Number 5, monitor or maybe reinvest your dividend. It is very important. Some stocks pay dividends, so choose those stocks that pay dividends, right? If you want to know the list of companies that pay dividends, just comment dividend paying stocks in the comment section, and I'm going to send you or do a video and show you all the companies that pay dividends in the stock exchange or in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Number 6, be aware of the fees included. Brokers charge commission, plus the Nigerian Stock Exchange also charges a fee, right? And there are tax included as well. So ensure that 5,000 naira is enough to cover them while still getting value. So I would say that maybe you can do like 5,500 naira or 5,600 naira so that that extra will cover for all those charges and all those fees. They are not very much. They are like 0.5% for some platforms, 0.75% for some platforms, and like 1% and 1 point something percent for other platforms. So know how much their fees are, so you can include all of that in the amount that you are depositing into your wallet. Do you find value for this video? Of course, I know you do. Please, why not share this video, subscribe, like this video, comment I am learning, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it, and so that more people can see it and it will be a blessing to them. My name is Director Simon. I'm an investor, a media executive, an entrepreneur, a peer-to-peer wealth creation advocate on a mission to helping 1 million Nigerians, 1 million people globally become financially free in 10 years from now through agriculture, finance, media, FMCGs, and hospitality. Building wealth is very possible. If you're willing, I am in. And the rest, like I always say, will be history.